In a peaceful neighborhood lined with cherry blossom trees, Willow sat gracefully on the porch of her house, her sleek black fur shimmering under the gentle sunlight. Nearby, Spunky crept along the fence, her tabby stripes blending with the greenery. Their eyes met, and a spark of curiosity ignited between them. Willow approached the fence cautiously, her tail swaying inquisitively. Spunky greeted her with a playful flick of her tail, and soon, they were engaged in a lively conversation, exchanging tales of their adventures. With newfound companionship, Willow and Spunky began their escapades, weaving through the neighborhood with grace and agility. They chased fireflies in the moonlit gardens and climbed to the top of the tallest oak tree, basking in the panoramic view of the twinkling stars above. Their laughter echoed through the streets as they raced through alleyways and darted between flower beds. Together, they explored every nook and cranny, their friendship blossoming with each passing moment. As twilight descended upon the neighborhood, a flash of color caught Willow and Spunky's attention. A vibrant parrot with feathers the color of a rainbow descended from the sky and landed gracefully on the fence beside them. "Hello, curious creatures," chirped Rainbow, her voice melodious and enchanting. Willow and Spunky exchanged puzzled glances, intrigued by the newcomer's unexpected arrival. "Who are you?" Spunky asked, her eyes wide with wonder. "I am Rainbow, the adventurous parrot," Rainbow replied, her wings fluttering excitedly. "I've traveled far and wide, seeking new horizons and thrilling adventures." Intrigued by Rainbow's tales of distant lands and exotic wonders, Willow and Spunky welcomed her into their friendship circle. They shared stories of their adventures, from climbing rooftops to chasing shadows in the moonlight. As the night deepened, they huddled under the starry sky, their laughter mingling with the gentle rustle of leaves. With Rainbow by their side, Willow and Spunky felt a newfound sense of joy and camaraderie, their bond growing stronger with each passing moment. Through the changing seasons, Willow, Spunky, and Rainbow remained inseparable. They explored every corner of their neighborhood, forging memories that would last a lifetime. As the years went by, their friendship endured, transcending the boundaries of species. They laughed, played, and cherished each other's company, grateful for their timeless bond. And so, in a quaint little neighborhood nestled amidst cherry blossom trees, two cats named Willow and Spunky and a colorful parrot named Rainbow embarked on endless adventures, united by the unbreakable bonds of love and friendship.